I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, it's another day of unboxing and advent calendars. That is, obviously. So yeah, it's another day of unboxing advent calendars, and today's advent calendar is, are you ready? This is the advent calendar countdown to Christmas from the brand Rituals, and this is the 2D calendar. I've also got the 3D, which you'll see tomorrow. I can't wait to get build that up. But anyway, so without further ado, let's get into the video because I know you guys are dying to see what's going on today. I'm just bucking everything just to get comfortable. Right, so go get a cuppa, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get into the video. Okay, so it comes, I ordered this off the Rituals website, so it's come directly from the company, and this is what it looks like. I'll leave all the details of how much it is and everything at the bottom. I think this one was, I forgot how much it was. Let me just find out for you. I'm actually a member of Rituals because I'm obsessed with this brand. I absolutely love it. And excuse me if you can hear my son squealing. He hasn't stopped screaming all day. Okay, so the 2D advent calendar is $59.90. Okay, so that's what you'll come. It comes lovely, nice and packaged. So let's get into the actual calendar itself. Oh, okay, wow. Okay, so here is the calendar. Let me do that in there like that so it stands up. So this is basically the calendar. How gorgeous is that? Like, I mean, I need to get this. I don't think, see, it doesn't even fit in the screen. It's huge. It's absolutely massive, and it's absolutely beautiful as well. Okay, so it's got some instructions and it tells you how to set up the advent calendar, which is you basically flip that back so that it stands tall. It's really heavy, and then it tells you how to remove the product from the box. So you either option 1, you press on the bottom of the product, or option 2, you pull the product out. So now that we know how to pull out the products, let's get into unboxing door number 1, which is, oh my god, where's the more? So door number 1 is here, okay, and we have, pull that up. So I love how it tells you as well. So this is a Savage Garden mini candle, and it says Tranquil Tuesday. Light this candle for a moment of pure tranquility with the warming scent of ancient sage. Okay. So that's what door number 1 is. It smells so nice and fresh. Okay. Door number 2 is this one here. So a merry meeting of Eastern spices and Western heritage with the limited Amsterdam collection foaming shower gel. So this is the new, this I think they released in the beginning of October, and it's a foaming shower gel, and it's part of the Amsterdam collection. And there's a gorgeous blue peacock on the bottle as well. That's absolutely stunning. Okay, door number 3. It's a very thin door. We have a Christmas dream catcher. Enhance the quality of your sleep with the magic ritual of Ying pillow mist. Okay, and that's what you get there. Should we give it a spray, or am I going to go to sleep? Oh, that smells amazing. Oh my god, I swear to god, I'm going to kill a child tonight. They have not stopped either squealing or singing, which is fine, bless them, they're happy. But my son's obviously nearly 13, and his voice is very, very squeaky at the moment, and it's quite annoying to listen to because he puts this voice on. I have actually mentioned this before, but he puts this voice on and it can be really frustrating, so that we don't hear the squeakiness out on his voice. Okay, right then, door number 4, we have a holy night mask. Repair your hair while you dream of Christmas miracles with this excellent collection overnight hydrating hair mask. So that's what you get there. The products are amazing. So it's an overnight, and it's argan oil and shikakai. Not sure how that how you say that, but it looks good. And then door number 5 is just here next door. And we have a merry massage. Stay balanced during the hectic holidays with the ritual of Ayurveda hand balm. So that's gorgeous, lovely. I love that red at the bottom. It's stunning. And that smells good. Okay, these will make cute little Christmas gifts as well, wouldn't they? So the things that I don't want. Like I said, I think a couple of videos ago, I'm going to make some hampers for my mum. Okay, door number 6. They're going to have some good gifts this year. Can I get door number 6? Ow. Ow. Why do they call it a funny bone when it bloody hurts? I don't know. Okay, a festive sparkle. Light this intensely aromatic and unique candle to infuse your living space with positive and sparkling energy. It's a green cardamom mini candle. So let's just pull that out. So many candles. Honestly, my room is full of them. That smells gorgeous. And then that's what that one looks like there. How stunning is that? I just love the white. These will go nice in my sister's house. Okay, so door number 7 is... Where are you? 7? It's down here. So door number 7 is just here. And then we have A Wondrous Christmas. Let your inner sparkle shine through with a spritz of the new ritual of holy body mist. I love the colour. Oh my god. That smells so nice. So it's white lily and peach blossom. Colour your world with love. Oh, that smells gorgeous. So it's a body mist. That's nice to have in my car, especially with after work as well. So door number 8 is, let's all gone on to this. Door number 8, where are you? Here it is. It's one of the big dots down here. Christmas magic. Treat your skin with the magic touch of nourishing the ritual Shakura body cream. So is that part of, oh no, that's not that one. So this is organic rice milk and cherry blossom. Oh, that looks good. I think I've tried that one before. Okay, door number 9. Adventurous Advent. Start your day empowered with the cooling effects of the ritual of samurai hair and body shower wash. I need to open that though. That smells nice and fresh. Okay, door number 10. So we're nearly halfway. Door number 10 is this little one down here. And we have Twinkle Twinkle, give your complexion a smoother appearance and a radiant look with saffron flower and holy lotus. The ritual of Namaste anti-aging ampule booster. So we've got the Namaste anti-aging booster glow. So that's what that looks like. So you must break the top and then just use it. So it's like a one thing doing. Okay, give that a little try. Okay, so door number 11 is the big one down here. Yes. Oh yes. Okay, so Christmas harmony. Take a moment to rebalance with the sweet scent of Indian rose and the soothing effects of golden honey. The ritual of Arida shower oil, shall I say. This, oh my god, I sampled this in a subscription box and I absolutely fell in love with it. And I was going to my husband, oh, is it not this one? No, it is this one. Yeah, it is. So, oh, is it sweet almond? No, it is. It's this one. So yeah. So basically, I used this in from a subscription box, and I literally used it within a few days because I absolutely loved it. It reminded me of being in Cyprus, and I was like, we need to go to the rituals shop because I found out there's one at Grand Central in town, and I was like, can we go, please? But yeah, it's come, so I can use this. Absolutely gorgeous, and it leaves your skin so nice and soft and smooth. I'll be right back. 1 second. I've left the roast potatoes in the oven. Okay, I'm back. Didn't burn them, thank God. Phew, we would have some very unhappy customers if I had. Okay, so we've done door number... Is that what you're gonna do? Don't lock me in. Okay, so door number 12 is this one up here. Absolutely love this calendar. So winter gloves. Treat yourself with this scrub glove. Okay, so treat yourself with this scrub glove for soft and silky smooth skin. Pair it with yesterday's gift for the ultimate spa moment at home. Oh, so if that's the oil. So to use this with the oil, they're saying it's going to be good, so I might give that a try. Okay, door number 13. A scent of cloves. Enjoy the essence and the aroma of the holiday season with this light. When you light this private collection Wild Big candle. Oh my god, that is delicious. That smells absolutely delicious. So this is a black candle, that smells so good. Okay, door number 14. A radiant duo. Enjoy the merry and positive vibes of the ritual of Karma bath and shower gel, no matter where you are. So this is the boutique line Karma gel and bath shower gel. Honestly, I didn't know this brand existed until I started using subscription boxes, and they were using a lot of this brand in the subscription boxes, and honestly, I've fallen in love with it. That's what I love about subscription boxes, the fact that you can test out these brands as well, which you've never heard of, and if you think they're a bit expensive, you don't have to go and fork out all the money as well. So that's the positive side of subscription. Negative side is there's so many that you want them all. Okay, so door number 15. Okay, sorry about that. Again, it said that my memory card was full. So in box door number 15 there was a nail file, just in case it cut off, I can't remember. So yeah, nail file always comes in handy. So door number 16, we have holiday hospitality. Give your guests a luxurious experience for their entire visit with a ritual of Shakura soap bar. Guests. Are we having guests this year? I don't think so, so I'll enjoy it instead. So we've got a lovely hand soap here, and it's rice milk and cherry blossom. I think it was, no, it's not. So that's that one. And then door number 17, where are you? Here it is. Door number 17. A Christmas glow. Reveal your inner glow and fight the first signs of aging with the ritual of Namaste Ampule Booster. Like that one. Yeah, so that's another one. Yeah, so there's another booster there. So you've got 2 in total, unless there's another one. Okay, door number 18 is this one here. Gorgeous on the go. Don't forget your miracle wipes when you travel home for Christmas. The ritual of Namaste Miracle Wipes. Okay. So we've got a little packet of facial wipes here. The biodegradable cleansing wipes in Moringa and Holy Lotus. Removes waterproof makeup. So that's quite handy to have like in you. Might leave them in the car because when I go out sometimes I like to take my makeup before I get home because I just can't bear it anymore. Okay, so door number 19 is a big one down here. Isn't it just a beautiful calendar? Honestly, I'd be so happy with this. Any of the calendars, I've absolutely loved every single one. So be sweet to your skin. This foaming shower gel from Rituals of Karma brings happiness and positive vibe for body and soul. So we've got another shower gel foam there. Smells good as well. I mean, honestly, you could be smelling these all day. Door number 20 is this one here. Okay, so make a wish. Transform your home into a fragrant heaven of precious oud and warm oriental essence and celebrate your joy and wishes of happiness. Black oud mini candle. Pop that out like that. Got another black candle there. That's quite nice actually. I have to light it and see how that smells. Okay, door number 21 is down here. And we have a piece of cake, the absolute gentlest shower foam you've ever experienced, designed to help you renew, rebalance and find your inner peace. So we've got another shower gel, and this is in Sacred Lotus and Jujube. Oh my god, that smells, that is sweet. That's a nice sweet smell. I love that. Okay, door number 22 is this one here. Be merry, a reason to smile with the ritual of Happy Buddha shower scrub here. Loving the colour. How nice and bright is that? Let's see what this one smells of. That is, ow. Okay, so that's that. And then door 23 is down here. We've got a big one down here. So holiday hammam. Revitalize and deeply nourish your skin with the ritual of hammam body cream. Hammam. And that's that one there. The colours are so bright and just so nice. They do make you smile. I'm not really sure on that smell. So this one is fresh eucalyptus and rosemary. Yeah, not really my smell. But anyway, put that in one of the giveaway. I'll give that to one of my sisters. They can smell it. And then the last door is door number 24. And we have a mini Christmas miracle. Feel joy in your very own home spa with the purifying of ritual hammam. The smell that I don't like. Anyway, let's see if it's the same one. Yeah, it's fresh eucalyptus and rosemary. So that can be like a little, that can be like a little gift set for one of them. Might do for one of the brother-in-laws, it's blue. And that's it guys, that is the Rituals 2D exclusive advent calendar unbox. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments which is your favourite product. Do you love Rituals? Because I absolutely do. Give this a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, we're nearly at 500 subscribers. I think we're like, I think it's 450 now. No, what am I on, about 450? We're on 480 now. So we've got like just 20 more subscribers to go. And I can finally announce the giveaway because over on Instagram, we've way past 3,000 subscribers. And I'm so grateful to everybody that is following us over there and following the journey, especially on YouTube. We are, you know, by we, I mean Penny and I and my kids. I mean, that's why we call Beauty and the Kids, because I like to get them involved. And yeah, more Penny because she just loves doing it. So give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, don't forget to subscribe, and guys, I will see you all on another day of Vlogtober. Bye.